Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up like this, a demo pop-up like this to your agency website. So to do that, you log into your WordPress dashboard, you import the agency website pop-up. This particular pop-up, you import the template, right? We'll provide you with the template. So you just go to Elementor, under editor you see template, you click on import template, and then you choose the file. So you're going to choose the agency pop-up template. When you select it, you click on open. You're going to see import now. Immediately click on import now. It will install as a template inside your WordPress account. Now the next step is to go to plugins. When you go to plugins, click on add plugin. Now you're going to install premium add-ons. So just search for it here. Right, so this is the plugin, premium add-ons for Elementor. Simply click on install now. And then click on activate. It's gonna take a few seconds, so just hold on. Right, so now you're gonna just go through this step, select the widgets that you want to use. So these are various options. Now the one we are looking for is called a modal box. So yes, you scroll down to, you see enable more widgets, then you scroll down to off grid widgets, then you toggle on this modal box. You're gonna see modal box, toggle it on, and then you save and you continue. You exit this particular one, you click on next, and then you go to dashboard. Alright, so that has been activated. Now they do have their own dashboard, so you can still come here and toggle on some of their free widgets. But like I said, the one we are using is modal box, and we've already toggled it. Now to add it to that agency website, you're going to go back to pages and then locate that particular agency website. So you're going to, this is the one we use, you're going to see edit with Elementor. You click on it, just open it. So it's going to take a few minutes, sometimes seconds, to load. So while it's loading, this is how the pop-up looks. So here you're going to show them a demo of how the setup works, how the QR code looks, just a brief instruction here on how the setup works basically. Alright, so the editor has opened. Select, you search for modal box. Yeah, so you're going to see it. Now the reason you're seeing it is because you activated it while we install the plugin. So if you've not activated it, it's not going to show you. So you need to activate it from this premium add-ons. Now we're going to add the button to this section. You just drag it and drop here. So you're going to see this editor, right? This is the editor for this particular modal box pop-up. It allows you to customize the button, customize the pop-up. So you go to content, and then under content to show, you select Elementor template. Now remember, earlier I said the first thing you're going to do is to import that pop-up template. Once you import that template, you're going to see it here. You can see agency demo pop-up. You can just select it. Now if you click on this, you're going to see the pop-up, right? Now you can customize the width and length of this pop-up directly from this editor. So all you have to do is go to modal box, under style, you go to modal box. You can increase the width, you can increase the length, the height, sorry. You can increase the height. There's this close button here, you can always customize. So this is basically like a full-blown editor where you can customize how the modal box looks. Now to edit the content inside this pop-up, which is the image, the QR code, the text, you go back to Elementor, select templates. Now once you come to this template, you're going to see the agency website pop-up, right? Now here you're going to click on edit with Elementor. Now this allows you to edit the content inside the pop-up. So you can add more text, you can reduce the size of the image, you can increase it, once you click here, you can change the QR code. You can always change the QR code here. Once you're done, you click on publish. So anything you edit here is going to reflect on the pop-up. Note, you're working on two different pages, right? So to add this button, you're going to do that inside the editor of the main agency website. This to add this trigger button for the pop-up, and then to edit or to customize the length width of the pop-up. Also, you can customize the close button of the pop-up as well. You can also remove this text at the top of the pop-up. You can do that here, but now for the content inside the pop-up, you're going to do that separately using the pop-up template. So you're just going to do that one separately. Now you're working on two different pages. Once you're done, you click on publish. You head back to your main agency website. If you refresh the page, you're going to see the pop-up here, right? So you're going to see the pop-up. So anything you customize is going to reflect here. And that's it for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.